So usually I post entire interior details, but this time, this one seat that I cleaned, it's probably like top 3 or 4 seats that I've cleaned in terms of like the transformation that it went from dirty to clean. So I figured, you know what, to make people's lives easier and just so I can reference it every now and then, I will just make a single video with just this seat cleaning and that's it. So watch the video and then I'll talk to you about the tools and products that I use, or just check the description box down below for those links. Enjoy the video. So what you think? Was it good? Was it bad? Was it all right? I'll be posting the full length video here very soon. It's like 45 minutes, so it's kind of long. My bad. I tried to cram 2 hours into just a short, reasonable time frame. Anyhow, as far as the tools and the products used, it's always the same thing because I don't really change things. It's super clean, diluted 10-to-1, which you can buy locally. It's the Aqua Pro Vac extractor, and then it's using a cordless drill with a carpet brush attachment. If you don't have the drill, then just use an upholstery brush. You don't have to have a $400 or $500 extractor. You can use like a Bizzle Pro Heat if you want, which is like $100. You can buy even cheaper used on Craigslist or something. And super clean. I mean, you can basically find that nationwide in the US at your local like O'Reilly's, AutoZone, Walmart, Home Depot, I think. So it's just those 3 main things. And depending on the machine that you're using, you might have to do several passes. If you have like a stronger unit than the one I have, you can probably get away with fewer passes. But that's just the gist of what I'm using. Again, all the links will be down in the description box. I'll see you on the next one.